Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspol. Thank you so much for all your likes, comments, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you're a new viewer, go to our channel, watch all these videos. If you're liking these videos, then you can definitely hit that subscribe button to be a part of this big family. For the ones who want additional services or training, you can WhatsApp our customer care team. 7892652481 is the number. For the ones who wants to open an account through us in $0 upstock, click the link in video description and open your account and be a part of my secret Telegram channel only for learning and bonding during my free time only. So without wasting time, let's see what do we have for our live trading video. So just taking a quick trade in Intraday right now. So around how much? 254.68 is the buy. 0.3% is 75 paisa. So 75 paisa means somewhere around 255.50 or 40.45. Okay. So let's see. Market has opened gap up here. You see the gap. Then he was trading in the same range and then finally broke the range, went down. Now going up. But if you see half an hour, is in a green candle right now. Small advantage for the buying stocks. So he covered most of the gap here. Highest is 255.55. I don't want to take much chance today because today is Friday, last day for the trading for the week, and so the volumes are very less. In front of volume is very bad. Now it has not traded much. Still, I'm just taking a chance here. After some time, I know there will be fluctuation up and down, but after some time, if it goes up, it's a big advantage. Currently the stock is dancing up and down. So again, if you see, it has gone up, and second time it has gone to the next same level of the high, and it has come down. All right. So our target is also somewhere there itself, 45 or 50. The volume is pretty low, so it will take a lot of time, and I don't want to take chance today as it is Friday. Normally Friday. So the stock has immediately spiked up. If you see, just exiting with this. All right. So I just sold it around 556.75. Okay, because it just spiked up at 256. Sorry, 257. It went just in front of me, and it was just turning. By then I just exited because I just wanted one spike. Actually 75 paisa, but more than that. Okay, so close to 2 rupees 7 paisa something, close to 0.8 or 0.9% on this particular trade we have booked. Alright, so considering today is Friday, and normally on Friday, I mean, sometimes things reverses or the volumes gets bad, reduces. All this will happen normally from my past experience. So like, even you would be knowing, I had told in my certain videos. So yeah, only thing in my mind was I just want 0.3 an hour spike and I'm gonna exit. So I was just seeing some YouTube videos and some news going on in the country. So by that time this one spiked, and immediately I just exited without any secondary thought, thinking that will it go further up, should I wait and all that. No, all I need is money. Money is in my portfolio. If you see in positions, money came positive, I'm exiting, I'm done. So let's say 300 rupees or 250 rupees will go for brokerage. Let's say 3700 in my pocket. So yeah, more than enough. Thank you so much for watching this video. And the market is, yes, still sideways if you see, and it is 0.07 percentage still. And yeah, no much advantage of markets, so that the stocks will go like 4-5% up or nothing. But yeah, I just took a calculated risk here. Yes, the stock can go down also. If it is going down, then I'll add some money and I will average out by taking extra risk, which is not advisable for a beginner as of now. But yeah, but most of it, after waiting, it went to my favor. If you see, there was a dip down also. Now Infratel, if you see a dip down, see this dip down to 250, it has gone. A lot of people's stop loss would have hit in this particular area, right? So my stop loss around 248. So a lot of like this situation happen. A single spike will hit your stop loss and later the stock corrects. Okay, someone big is just put an order or exited his order and stock will tend to change. So yeah, that's a common thing, and just because of that you cannot predict, because first of all you're doing intraday, which is not, it is like a speculation, and a lot of people's brain are working there, and a lot of people will do a new actions. So don't predict that it will not go this side or that side. It can go any side, but when it comes to your side, book your profit and exit later. Let it go up or let it go down. Zero emotions towards the stock. Anyways, thank you so much. Do subscribe to this channel for a lot of videos, and see you soon. Bye bye.